Welcome to DelftStack, and this is how to remove old messages from Messenger, both sides. So, guys, in this video, we are going to be discussing if this is possible or not. So, just simply follow along. So, first, let's just simply open up the Messenger application into your device. Now, guys, over here on your messenger, you could just simply go to the inbox of the messages that you want to remove. Let's say I'm gonna go for this one. And from here, guys, as you can see, you should be able to see all of the messages that you had with your friend. And in order for you to delete or remove old messages from both sides, you just simply tap and hold it on the specific message that you would like to delete and tap on delete. And from here, you could select multiple deletion over here based on your preferences. And now once you have selected everything, you could just simply go ahead and select delete. And from here, you will have an option delete for you. And now from here, if you go for your own messages, you will have an option delete for everyone. But if you only have their messages, you cannot delete for everyone. You can only delete it for you. And now the only thing that you could do is delete your message for everyone. So this will be deleted both side. And from here, you should be able to delete a message. Or if you want to delete the whole conversation itself, you could just simply hold it on the messenger app and you will have an option delete over here and you can delete this entire conversation. But remember, this will only be deleted on your side, not both side. And there you go.